Today, I am Razer Blade 14 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Razer Blade 14 2025 is an exceptional leap forward in gaming laptops, and it's not just about raw power. It's about marrying performance with portability in a way that truly stands out. Right from the first glance, this laptop impresses with its ultra-thin profile. At just 0.62 inches thick and weighing only 3.59 pounds, it is the thinnest and lightest blade Razer has ever produced. That makes it an incredible choice for gamers, content creators, and professionals who want a laptop that delivers uncompromised performance without sacrificing mobility. Under the hood, the Razer Blade 14 houses the AMD Ryzen AI 9 365 processor, a powerhouse that delivers up to 50 tera operations per second. This is paired with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, offering up to 115 watts of TGP and enhanced by NVIDIA DLSS4 technology. The combination of these cutting-edge components provides stunningly smooth graphics and extreme processing capability. Whether you're gaming at high resolutions, editing large video files, or running AI-enhanced workflows, this laptop delivers. It's truly built for anyone who demands uncompromising performance in a compact package. The display is another area where the Blade 14 excels. It features a 14-inch 3K OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and an astonishingly low 0.2 milliseconds response time. Kalman verified color accuracy ensures vibrant, lifelike visuals with deep blacks and incredible contrast. Whether you're gaming, watching high-definition video, or designing digital art, the display offers a level of detail and smoothness that's unmatched at this size. Razer also focuses heavily on memory and storage. This model comes with a massive 64GB LPDDR5X RAM running at an incredible 8000 MHz, delivering over 33% faster frequency than its predecessor while being more power efficient. This means lightning-fast multitasking and seamless performance even under heavy loads. Combined with a 2TB PCIe NVMe SSD, storage and access speed are outstanding, and the laptop's performance never feels bottlenecked. One of the Blade 14's most impressive features is its advanced cooling system. The chassis is precision-engineered with a bespoke vapor chamber and thermal hood design, ensuring that high performance is sustained even under the heaviest workloads. This means you can push this laptop for hours without worrying about overheating, making it perfect for marathon gaming sessions or extended creative projects. The Razer Blade 14 is also designed for productivity. The AMD Ryzen AI processor brings powerful AI-driven tools such as Copilot+, Live Captions, Co-Create, and Recall, all designed to boost efficiency and creativity. Whether you're a gamer who streams content, a designer who edits videos, or a professional using demanding software, these tools add immense value. Connectivity is another strength of this laptop. It features dual USB 4 Type-C ports, HDMI, and Wi-Fi 7, ensuring super-fast data transfers, ultra-low latency, and broad compatibility with peripherals. The built-in 6-speaker THX Spatial audio system delivers rich and immersive sound quality, perfect for gaming, streaming, or content creation. Battery life is surprisingly robust given the power packed inside. The Razer Blade 14 comes with a 72-hour battery, offering up to 11 hours of screen-on time under normal usage. When you need a quick recharge, the compact 200W charger gets you back to full power fast, up to 50% charge in just 30 minutes. This makes it ideal for people on the go. Finally, the Razer Blade 14 delivers in style. Its all-black aluminum unibody chassis is sleek and durable, with chroma RGB lighting that adds a customizable and stylish edge. It's a laptop that doesn't just perform at the top level but also looks stunning while doing it. In summary, the Razer Blade 14 2025 redefines what a compact gaming laptop can be. It's incredibly thin and portable, yet packed with high-end hardware that delivers unmatched performance. From its vibrant OLED display to its lightning-fast RAM, powerful GPU, and advanced AI capabilities, it's designed to handle gaming, productivity, and creativity with ease. For anyone looking for a gaming laptop that balances extreme power with portability, the Razer Blade 14 is a clear leader in its class.